went there and stayed for 2 years.
Which state?
Which day? The day?
Which city? Which city?
Which city?
In
In a
America?
neighborhood.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Sit up.
Just want to see ma'am. Very great.
Next we will take time for it. You have cards.
You explain your project. Second grade. Where it your project name? Water bottle ఎంత పెట్టమన్నాడు? Water bottle.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satyanas.
A little bit louder.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satyanas. I am from grade 2A. My subject is statistics. I am explaining about
Okay. Could you please explain? Okay. I want to know about this.
When the rectangle rotates, it will be in the shape of cylinder. When the triangle rotates, it will be in the shape of a sphere. Good morning everyone. My name is Somati. I am from grade 3. My product name is Indian and International Number System. Indian number system starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. And this is the place, this is the value, but place value is period. In international number system, place values are different. Start from ones, tens.
Mr. Circle, Mr. Circle, you're so round and round and round. You can go right where Mr. Circle, you're so round and round and round. You square.
With the decorations all conditions. So you can see decoration is so can you go to
Can you tell me something about this?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Mohit. I am from grade 6.
Good morning, sir. My name is Saishan. I am from grade 6.
Sir, can you complete these two ropes without untying the hands?
So, gender unity.
No, all together.
Can you tell me about this? Yeah.
Won't you join me on my train as Mr. Square did? Mr. Star, are you looking at the sky? Your friends will come in the night.
Can you tell me about this? Can you tell me about this?
Good morning. Good morning, grade 5. Today my topic is types of triangles.
Good morning, sir. My name is Katya. I'm from 4th class.
My name is Sarika, grade 4. Today my topic, my name is Ashley. My name is Aradhya and we are from grade 5. Our topic is symmetry. My name is Sakil. I'm studying.
My name is Kim. Hey, my project name is Sannidhi. I'm from grade 4B.
You can roll all around.
What's this?
This is my topic. Good morning, sir. My name is Monica. Today my topic is mode, mean, median, and range. Now I'm going to define all.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. My name is Prahan. I'm from Vietnam.
Yes. May I know about your project?
Good morning, sir. I'm Adya.
My name is Sannidhi. I'm from grade 5.
Give them a round of applause.
Anna, children should roll. Hello. Clap, children, clap, clap.
Children, without making noise, you should move from your places, please.
Ready, sir?
B, C, D. What is X? Okay.
X is the unknown value that we have to find out.
X is the unknown value. Anybody else? X is it? Anybody else? Okay. Very nice. You are very enthusiastic. Okay. Anybody else? Childhood. ఒక సరదాగా ఒక ప్రోవర్బ్ చెప్తుండేవారు అన్నమాట. ఆల్జీబ్రా గుండె గాబరా అని అనేవారు. అంటే ఆల్జీబ్రా అంటే గుండె గాబరాగా ఉండేదట. వాళ్ళు అలా ఎందుకు అనేవారు? అప్పుడు నిజంగా అంత కష్టమేమో అని నేను అనుకోలేవాను. కానీ దాంట్లో అసలు విషయం తెలిసిన తర్వాత వీటన్నిటికంటే అదే చాలా ఈజీ అనిపించింది. X, you are saying a variable, unknown quantity. Not at all, it is unknown quantity. We are generalizing X. ఈరోజు సినిమా రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నది. ఏ సినిమా? వెరీ నైస్. సలార్ సినిమా రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నది. మనము సినిమాకి వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. సినిమాకి వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటుంటే మనము వెళ్తున్నాం, సినిమాకి వెళ్తాం. ఒకటి సినిమాకి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఏం కావాలమ్మా? టికెట్స్ కావాలి. టికెట్ ఎంత? 200 రూపీస్ అనుకుందాం. మనము మన ఇంట్లో అమ్మా నాన్న మీరు ముగ్గురు వెళ్దాం అనుకున్నారు. హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు? 600. హౌ యూ సే 600? 200 into 3. 200 into 3. Very nice. Very nice. Now your friend asked you, I want to join with you. Okay, 50 rupees. Very nice. You also tried very well, Nana. So for 50 rupees, give back 50 rupees. Okay. Why you are multiplying 15 by 30? Huh?
Because we buy 15 boxes and each box is 30 rupees.
You said correct. Addition, subtraction. But what is this? How do we get? Repeated addition. But most of us don't know. They say simply it is a multiplication. How? Why? We know division very well. Okay. Okay? In mathematics, we can say the answer. Now, I am asking one more question. What is mathematics? What is mathematics?
Mathematics is our daily life.
Exactly. What's the class? Maybe first class or second class you are?
First class.
First class. Very nice. Very nice.
Mathematics is everything.
I'm really proud of you. What's your name?
Chandrika.
Okay. Mathematics is nothing but our life. Thank you so much. You may sit down.
Mathematics is everything.
Everything. Mathematics.
Mathematics are logical, which is used in our daily life, which is numbers.
Exactly. Super.
Clap.
I really expect from this answer. Really, I'm saying truly, no doubt. I really didn't expect these answers. Mathematics is a logical and in the daily life. మీరు ఒక్క సిచ్యువేషన్ అయినా మీ డైలీ లైఫ్ లో లేనట్టు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లేని సిచ్యువేషన్ ఒక్కటైనా చెప్పగలరా? మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు? ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ క్లాస్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్? తమ్ముడో చెల్లో ఉంటే ఆఫ్ చేసి ఇస్తాం. నువ్వు ఇవ్వకపోతే మీ తమ్ముడో చెల్లో ఊరుకోదు. ఆ చాక్లెట్ మొత్తం లాక్కుంటుంది. అవునా కాదు? ఆ ఊరుకోదు. ఖచ్చితంగా చాక్లెట్ మొత్తం లాక్కుంటుంది. కాబట్టి మన కన్వీనియంట్ కోసం మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఆఫ్ ఇచ్చేయాలి, లేకపోతే అమ్మాయి ఊరుకోదు లేదా బాబు ఊరుకోదు. ఆ బాబు స్కూల్ నర్సరీ కాదు, ఫస్ట్ ఇయరే, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ లోనే ఉంటాడు. కానీ వాడికి ఒక ముక్క కావాలంటాడు. అవునా కాదు? సో దే నో ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. దట్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్. దానికోసం మనం నర్సరీకి రావాలా? నర్సరీలోకి రావాలా మనం? మీరు నర్సరీకి ముందు మరి ఎప్పుడు మీరు ఫ్రాక్షన్ నేర్చుకోలేదా? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, నేర్చుకున్నారా లేదా? నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ అవర్ సరౌండింగ్స్ everything includes mathematics. Everything includes mathematics. Construction. ఈ గోడలు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసేటటువంటిది మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఆమె కరెక్ట్? కానీ ఆ కట్టేటటువంటి వాళ్ళకి అది మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అని తెలియదు. కానీ వాళ్ళు అదే చెప్తారు. మనకంటే వాళ్ళు చాలా చక్కగా చేయగలరు. How many of you can draw pictures? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. అందరూ వేసినటువంటి పిక్చర్స్ బాగుంటాయా? Okay, please down your hands. Some cannot draw like that. Why? Correct? Measurements. That is one of the point. Measurements. ఏ పిక్చర్ అయితే మెజర్
Wonderful morning. I cordially invite you all be part of this Maths Euphoria. You have been excitingly waiting for this event, I know very well. Instead of consuming much more time, I just would like to give the more opportunity for you people. And I just want to tell you one thing. Maths, everybody knows how important it is. But most of the times we don't pay attentively the same interest. These are the events, festivals, celebrations create an uncompromised and love for mathematics or any subject. So I wish you all have a fair love in mathematics. Thereby your futures are carved in a wonderful design. Whatever the profession you choose, having good knowledge on mathematics, good knowledge in mathematics, always added advantage. So please be focused and enjoy, simultaneously learn. All the very best. Thank you.
Our academic coordinator as well as our event in charge of Maths Euphoria to share some words.
Good morning. Very good morning, children. A warm welcome to our chief guest. Good morning, Principal Sir, and good morning all our esteemed teachers and our brilliant students. Welcome to all for our Math Fest, Math Euphoria. Today, we gather here to celebrate the beauty and power of mathematics. As an academic coordinator, I am thrilled to witness the enthusiasm and dedication of our students who have shown a very good interest in this subject. Firstly, why do we celebrate this Maths Day? And what is the reason behind this? Yes, National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December annually to mark the birth anniversary of our legendary Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and his contributions to this field of mathematics. Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan was the person behind the invention of infinity. This day recognizes and celebrates his work. The genius mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in 1887 to a Tamil Brahmin family at Tamil Nadu. Since ancient times, various scholars have made significant contributions to the field of mathematics like Aryabhata, Brahmagupta, Mahavira, Bhaskara, Srinivasa Ramanujan and Shakuntala Devi, who is known as the human calculator. Amongst these famous scholars, at a very young age, Srinivasa Ramanujan showed his science of an unfolding genius and his contributions regarding fractions, infinite series, number theory, mathematical analysis, which set an example in the field of maths. Hence, as a tribute to his enormous work in this field, our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh declared 22nd December as National Mathematics Day in the year 2012. Since then, we celebrate this day. Today, we gather here to celebrate the beauty and the power of this mathematics. I have a small rhyme on a nursery rhyme about math about me. Numbers, numbers, numbers are all around me. Everywhere they are found. Numbers tell me how old I am. and numbers tell me how many are there in my family. It tells me how I weigh and how tall I am, where I live, and that's not all. Numbers are a part of me. Numbers are money, time, and history. When to wake up, when to eat, what size shoes to buy for my feet, how much money something's cost, a number to call if my dog is lost. I don't know where I would be if numbers wouldn't be a part of me. This is a small nursery rhyme. It is about math about me. So this is the real world where we cannot ignore math in our daily lives. Yes, continuing further, mathematics isn't merely about the numbers and formulae. It's a universal language that unlocks a world of possibilities. It teaches us problem solving, critical thinking, and logical reasoning. In the classroom, it is very essential and also to have success in our lives. So this festival, Math Euphoria, isn't just about competition and challenges. It's about fostering a love towards mathematics, nurturing curiosity, and encouraging teamwork. It's about celebrating every student's unique approach to problem solving and innovation. I encourage each one of you to embrace the spirit of this event, engage in activities, learn from each other, and let your passion for maths shine through. Remember, mistakes are the stepping stones to understanding, so don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and learn from them. I extend my gratitude to our management, our esteemed teachers, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this Math Euphoria a reality. Your dedication is invaluable in shaping our students into future innovators and problem solvers. Let's make this Math Fest an unforgettable celebration of numbers, patterns, and limitless possibilities of the mathematical world. Thank you, and let this festival begin. Thank you all.
Letting us know what mathematics mean to us. And now children, one thing I want to say. So while learning, there isn't any barrier. Do we need language to learn something? Really? Sometimes we can go to another state and we can understand what they are telling and what does they mean. Yes or no? So now whatever we are calling upon, see some eminent person will come to our occasion and they talk something. I request you all to listen to the words of our chief guest with keen interest and observe whatever the intelligence or whatever the knowledge they are providing to us. So I call upon our chief guest of today with a huge round of applause onto the stage, Sri G. Pavan Kumar Garu onto the stage to share few words with our children and enlighten them about today's event.
Team members, that is the respective teachers, and also the students. I wish you a very happy and confident National Mathematics Day. Happy, confident National Mathematics Day. I am wishing you. Why I am saying happy and confident? Just I am taking half an hour of the time. From now, you forget I am a teacher. I am Mr. Pawan Kumar, just for your sake. I am Pawan Kumar. I am also a teacher. Just forget the children. I am a teacher. Just I am with you. I am as your friend. Treat me for half an hour. I am asking some questions. You discuss yourself. నేను చెప్తుంది మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా మా పిల్లలు? మీరు ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ నన్ను టీచర్గా మర్చిపోండి. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఏ రకంగా మీరు మాట్లాడుకుంటారో నాతో అలాగే మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే? At first, I also wish Bhavya. Once more, I am greeting you a happy birthday because this is a great day and because the birthday of our legendary mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan, and you also, I wish you also become a legendary one. Okay, thank you. Once more I am greeting you a happy birthday, Bhavya. Bhavya kada mari peru? Thank you. Okay. At first,
what is euphoria? Extreme happiness. Are you extremely elated? Why are you happy today? So we are celebrating mathematics. You know, mathematics is interlinked and it is indulged in our life. Yes or no? Everywhere we go, we find math. And without math, there is no subject. Every subject is interlinked with mathematics. So today, Samskar International School, and it is the first time we are celebrating Mathematics Day in such a huge and a vast event. And I am so happy and appreciate yourself. You have done a very good job and you have strived and tried yourself very hard to put on your efforts for this Maths Day. Clap for yourself, children, before we initiate the program. Very well done. And teachers, I am so happy that you are here. On behalf of SIS, I wish you all a very happy National Mathematics Day. And let me privilege to initiate the program. I welcome today Mr. G. Pavan Kumar sir onto the stage. And children, welcome our chief guest of today onto the stage with a huge round of applause. And grade 7 Chancellor will welcome our chief guest with a flower bouquet onto the stage. Chancellor of grade 7. Has done MSc, B.Ed and B.A. and his other qualifications include Diploma in Carnatic Music and All India Radio, DJ Artist and Live Music. Give our chief guest a huge round of applause, children. Sir, we are very happy and fortunate for having you here. Welcome to Samskar International School, sir.
I do.
showers of blessings. Other learners also sing along with them.
Bye bye.